Hi, this is your technician, Jeff Drummond at Audi Fairfield. Just wanted to go over if your windshield happens to catch a golf ball, we actually do windshield replacement in-house here at Audi. Um, there's a few important things to consider when doing the windshield. You're not the only thing looking through the windshield. We've actually got rain light sensors here. A lot of the newer vehicles have a driver assistance camera. So you want to make sure you're putting the same glass back in the car. That's factory Audi glass. And yeah, just to keep you going down the road safely.